By the end of the short video, you will have your very own domain name, your web hosting setup, and WordPress completely installed. Best of all, it's much easier than you think. So if you are just getting started and want to launch your first website, or if you are simply looking for a right domain and hosting setup, you are at the right place. I'll walk you through how to secure a reliable, affordable hosting plan with Hostinger, claim your free domain name, and get WordPress fully installed and ready to go. And to get started, just type in this URL in your browser or click the first link in the video description, which is by the way my affiliate link, so thanks for using that. It will take you to hostinger.com, which is the most reliable and affordable hosting available. On this page you can learn more about this hosting and you can see the Trustpilot reviews as well. And then you can use this hosting for vibe code websites or for WordPress. And we will be dealing with WordPress, and why WordPress is because it's the largest website building platform in the world, with over 40% websites on the internet being created with WordPress. And to get a proper hosting for it, just go to services here, where you will find all the hosting and tools available. For WordPress, we have two options: manage hosting WordPress and manage WooCommerce hosting. If you are selling something online and want to have an e-commerce store, then manage hosting for WooCommerce is recommended. And for simpler website, we can go with manage hosting for WordPress. So let's click on it. It will take you to this page and you can see up to 75% off. Here you can scroll down to see the pricing. The first thing is we can change the length of subscription here. So we can get this hosting for 1 month, 12, 24 or 48 months. So the more time we choose here, the more discount we will get. Let's keep it 48 months. And then you can check the pricing over here. Now in the premium plan, we can create up to 3 websites. We will get this much storage and 2 mailboxes and all these features. And in the business plan here, we can host up to 50 websites. We will get this much storage, 5 mailboxes and all these features. And then cloud startup for 100 websites and this much storage, 10 mailboxes and all these features. Now you can go with any of these plans based on your need. For a simple website, the premium plan is more than enough, so just click choose plan here. And it will take you to the cart page along with the hosting details you have selected. Again, you can change the time period here and you can claim your free domain here. If you are not sure yet, you can claim this domain later on as well. But if you already have decided, you can search for your desired domain like this. You can see it's free, so we can choose it. And this is the order summary. So we have selected the premium plan for 48 months with a free domain, and this is the total price. So let's click continue. And here you can just type in your email and password, or you can continue with your Gmail or GitHub to buy this hosting. And after payment, you will be redirected to your Hostinger dashboard like this, where you can easily manage your website, your domains, your databases, emails and so on. And this is the domain we selected. If I visit it in a new tab, it is not working because this is not ready yet. So let's go back to our hosting and let's create a website on this domain and let's install WordPress. So to create a website, just click create website here, which will ask you some basic questions. So who is this website for? For myself. Do you want to create a new website or migrate an existing one? Or you can hire someone. So we will choose create a new website. Now you can type in the personalization you want, or you can just skip this. And then you can decide how you want to build your website. So you can either build your website with vibe code or drag and drop builder from Hostinger, or you can use WordPress. Again, we will choose WordPress here and click next. And as we already have owned this domain, so it will auto pitch that domain. And if you're not ready, you can also use a temporary domain. So I'll choose my domain name here and click next. And then to register this domain, you can type in your info like first name, last name, email, phone number and all these. Once you are done, click register and finishing your domain registration. And then you can choose the nearest server to you. Here I'll choose United States and click next. And then on this page, you can choose your WordPress admin language, your WordPress email and password. And then don't click on create website with AI, just click build from scratch. which will only install WordPress, and if you want you can also play this game like this. This can take a minute, so let's wait for it. And after this step, the WordPress should be installed and it will take you to its dashboard. If not and you are getting this error, it means that the domain is not ready yet. So let's check it in our Hostinger dashboard. And here you can see the issue. Verify your phone number to finish the domain registration. So let me quickly do it. And code has been sent to the phone number. So I'll paste the code and verify. Start using your new domain. Let's click continue. We also have to verify our email address. I'll click more info. And a verification link has been sent to our email, so we can verify it from there. And now I could have easily skipped these steps and showed you directly the dashboard, but I want to show you everything so that the beginners don't stuck at any step. And we have verified the email, so let's reload this page. And the domain is now active. And if I refresh this page, it should work and will take us to WordPress dashboard. And it's working now. So we can fill up our username and password that we have set just earlier, and we will be good to go. So type in your username and password and click login. And that's it. We can close this. And welcome to WordPress. Now we can go ahead and install theme and plugins and start building a website. And this was how you can get a proper domain name and hosting and get started with your first website. So I hope you will find this video helpful. Thanks for watching and happy website creation.